Welcome to InSkill AI, a platform designed to put expert industrial knowledge in the hands of frontline workers. Whether it's for maintenance, training, procedures, or troubleshooting, InSkill Copilots deliver real-time, site-specific guidance anytime it's needed. In fast-paced industrial environments, workers often lack quick access to documentation or support for their equipment. This can lead to mistakes, delays, or safety issues. InSkill solves this with custom AI copilots for your devices. They act as custom digital assistants that use your own procedures, manuals, and training materials to answer questions and guide workers in real time. Here's how InSkill AI works. Capture expert know-how with materials you already have. Upload manuals, standards of practice, and service history. No reformatting needed. InSkill instantly turns them into an AI-powered copilot ready to deploy for you and your team. It answers questions, troubleshoots, and solves problems in real time. You can access InSkill on web, mobile, or wherever you work. As your team uses it, InSkill will learn and improve, making your knowledge more useful every day. It can identify knowledge gaps and learn new solutions from experts in the field. Simple to set up, powerful in action. That's InSkill. There are many unique real-world areas where InSkill copilots are making an impact in industrial settings today. Worker expertise has been organized and streamlined to reduce training time, upskill workers, and capture expertise before it retires. InSkill AI can make intelligent decisions based on asset configuration, components, and customizations. It is uniquely equipped to assist in technical troubleshooting, calibrations, and responding to real-time alarms. Standardized best practices and procedures are boosting efficiency and dramatically increasing asset utilization. Whether it be for troubleshooting, maintenance, or field service, InSkill is ready to help. Visit inskill.ai to request a demo and start building your own copilot today.